Xendee's software platform was developed to streamline and integrate the modeling process for complex energy systems. However, the unique nature of every microgrid project often involves navigating localized input data and decisions that can make the difference between profit and loss. With decades of experience, Xendee's modeling and engineering services are designed to expand your team's capacity and streamline every stage of project development. By leveraging our expertise, your team can confidently take on more projects, pursue larger opportunities, and integrate advanced technologies beyond your usual scope. We simplify the journey from concept to deployment by supporting you at each step. Our team covers everything from initial fact-finding and RFP preparation to in-depth project analysis. Even if your project needs aren't fully defined yet, we provide the technology and expertise to clarify your requirements and map out a clear path forward. Whether you're working on a single project or analyzing a portfolio at scale, Xendee's team starts by running initial feasibility studies and ranking them based on goals like emission reduction or energy cost savings. This process identifies the top sites for microgrid deployment, offering stakeholders a data-driven approach to prioritize projects and create compelling proposals that drive interest and close deals. Once sites are selected, our team collects the necessary information for detailed design, covering technology preferences, utility and load data, financing terms, and applicable incentive programs, alleviating your team from the burden of data collection. Models are then generated in Xendee's cloud-based platform, creating an environment for experimentation and optimization. Here, new technologies can be tested, redundancies added, or investment levels adjusted, allowing customers to choose from a variety of design options instead of a single solution. We then optimize each model to provide detailed financial projections, allowing stakeholders to compare outcomes and choose the best design for their goals. Our team also supports implementation by optimizing operations, vetting contractors, and ensuring deployments meet specifications. With experience from hundreds of projects, Xendee can validate results against industry standards, swiftly identifying any potential issues. Trusted by the US government, major utilities, global manufacturers, and engineering firms worldwide, Xendee's modeling services and tools add tangible value at every stage, enabling you to manage large-scale, multi-technology projects without overburdening your team. Ready to expand your modeling capabilities? Schedule a demo today.